That's the Mini done. Time now to paint the Jaguar. As I said earlier, on this occasion I'm going to be using the blender along with the base coat. 2-pot process. Idea is I spray the blender out around into the areas where I want to make my blend in, maybe a little bit down there. Change over and then make my base coat, spray into the widest area first, out across here, and then just finalising the repair in the middle with 1.5 coats. Here's the base coat then after application. As you will have seen, it's a very simple process, requiring me only to come to the job once. No unnecessary flash off, very productive, nice and easy, simple, repeatable. Going to dry this now while I make my clear coat, and then we'll be ready to go again. Here we are after a short flash off. As you will have seen during application, it's a very simple, straightforward process. Use of the blender really promotes a nice transition of the base coat into the original film. If we take a look with the tack rag, it's very smooth. There's no overspray left behind. Ready for clear coat now. Let me do that and we'll come back and take a look at the finished job. Time to remove the masking. Polish on the blend edge a little bit, then we can put the car outside in the daylight and take a look. Here's the second job, and as you can see, using the blender with this more tricky colour has really helped me. Good transition, no problems with colour match, job's really good. Thanks for your time, see you soon. When repairing difficult colours, even the smallest of repairs benefit from the use of the blender. The easiest way is to work with the 2-pot process, or alternatively use 2 different spray guns. Apply the blender to the areas surrounding the repair and do not allow it to flash off before applying your base coat. Start by applying a light effect coat to the widest point of your repair, making sure that you stay inside of the blender. Apply your base coat then as normal over the repair area. Please make sure that you do not go beyond the blend that you have already created. Before clear coat application, tack rag as normal to remove any slight surface dust. Using the blender will ensure that you have a completely uniform film on the repair, resulting in no overspray. This in turn will ensure optimum clear coat appearance.